part 2, guys. We will be so me and my brother Taylor is gonna be making like a new dance move, but like from a song that we like. No, I don't know what's the kind of song. You guys recommend what kind of song. Yeah, guys, please go and look at the videos and please do the dance.
Yeah, we might have to dance. Because you know why we did it sturdy. You might be thinking, why did we do it like sturdy? I wanted to be sturdy because I wanted to make like more.
It's basically for the boys.
Yeah, basically for the boys. But I got my sister in because my sister, she's the only one I can do a dance with. So.
Unless our other sisters, we have 5 kids in the family. This is the one that. Okay, let's in the next.
This is the brother and this is the sister and this is the and this is another sister.